Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel. This video is on a Rajbhasa Hindi language or official language. This is set number 2. These are only important objective questions for various examination conducted by Railway Departmental as LDC and GDC. So just go through this. I requested viewers to kindly give comments in comment box so that I can improve my videos quality. So my today first question is, what is the official language of Union of India? That is Hindi in Devanagari script. Next question, on which date part 17 of the Constitution was passed in Parliament? On which date part 17, very important, of the Constitution was passed in Parliament? That is 14th September 1949. Due to this only, every year on 14th September we are celebrating Hindi Day. Just for reference I am giving. Next question, when was Official Language Act 1963 passed? When was Official Language Act OL Act 1963 passed? OL Act 1963 passed on 10th May 1963. 10th of May 1963. Next question, when was Official Language Act 1963 amended? When was Official Language Act 1963 amended? After 4 years, that is 1967. In 1967, Official Language Act 1963 amended. Next question, when is Hindi Day celebrated every year? When is Hindi Day celebrated every year? So already I informed you, that is 14th of September. 14th of September. On 14th September, National Hindi Day celebrated. Next question, according to official language rules, under which region Andaman and Nicobar Island came? Andaman and Nicobar Island. Spelling mistake is there, so kindly avoid this. The correct answer is A. A for Andaman. So, according to Official Language Rules 1976, Andaman and Nicobar Island comes under Region A. Next question, what is the official language of Arunachal Pradesh? This question asked in various examination of Indian Railway Departmental exam. So just recall this question, may be important for you. The official language of Arunachal Pradesh is English. The official language of Arunachal Pradesh is English. Next question, from when did the section 3.3 of Official Language Act take effect? Very important question. From when did the section 3.3 of Official Language Act take effect? So it was take effects from 26th of January 1965. 26th of January 1965, our Republic Day. In which part of the Constitution are the Article 343 to 351 that give information about official language available? In which part of the Constitution are the Article 343 to 351 that give information about official language available? That is part 17. In part 17, Article 343 to 351 available. Next question, at present how many languages are enlisted in the 8th schedule of the Constitution? When Constitution imposed, first time it was 14, now it has 22. So at present 22 languages are enlisted in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. Number of languages 22. Next question. When was the official language rules? When was the official language rules passed? Please note, official language rules is different and the official language act is different. So just consider on rules and acts. So official language rules passed in 1976. In 1976 rules. Next question. How many articles are there in part 17 of the Constitution? In part 17 of Constitution, how many articles are there? So it has total 9 rules. So it has total 9 articles, that is 343, 344, 345, 346, 347, 348, 349, likewise up to 351. Next question. As per the Constitution, who is translating the statutory rules, regulations and orders? As per the Constitution, who is translating the statutory rules, regulations and orders? That is Law Minister, Law Ministry. The Law Ministry is translating all statutory rules and regulations and orders. This question is very, very important, so please remember this. This is my favorite question actually. According to Rajbhasha Act 1963, Rajbhasha Act 1963, Section 4 is related with, Parliamentary Official Language Committee, Parliamentary Language Committee. This is also my very important question. The Rajbhasha Act 1963, Section 7 is related with High Court that can give any decision in Hindi or other language. Next question. When was official language rules amended? As I told you earlier, official language act is different, official language rules is different. So official language rules, which came into effect from 1976, amended in 1987. In 1987, rules was amended. Who is the chairman of Central Hindi Samiti? Who is the chairman of Central Hindi Samiti? Always top. So Prime Minister is the chairman of Central Hindi Samiti. Prime Minister is the chairman of Central Hindi Samiti. Next, which committee review the progress made in the propagation of Hindi in a particular ministry or department? Which committee review the progress made in the propagation of Hindi in a particular ministry or department? The correct answer is Hindi Salahkar Samiti. Hindi Salahkar Samiti. Hindi Salahkar Samiti only looking after propagation of Hindi or progress of Hindi. When was the Parliamentary Committee on Official Language constituted? When was the Parliamentary Committee? Actually, Parliament make one committee, 3 committees for different ministry. So when it was constituted? It was constituted in January 1975. In January 1975 it was constituted. How many members are there in the Parliamentary Committee on Official Language? How many members are there in Parliamentary Committee on Official Language? The correct answer is 30. 30. Total members in Parliamentary Committee is 30. Total 30 members, in which, next question we can see, how many Lok Sabha members are there in Parliamentary Committee on Official Language? As I see earlier, it has total 30 members. In that 30 members, 20 members came from Lok Sabha. So question is, how many Lok Sabha members are there in the Parliamentary Committee on Official Language? That is 20. From Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is a major portions came from Lok Sabha, that is 20. Next question also same, just we can understand how many Rajya Sabha members are there in the Parliamentary Committee on Official Language. Total is 30. From Lok Sabha it is coming 20. Then definitely from Rajya Sabha it is 10. 20 plus 10, 30 total. So from Rajya Sabha there are 10 members available in Parliamentary Committee on Official Language. Hope my viewers understand. Next, at present how many subcommittees are there in the Parliamentary Committee on Official Language? Total how many subcommittees are there in the Parliamentary Committee on Official Language? For different ministry it is created, so it has 3 subcommittees. At present there are 3 subcommittees in the Parliamentary Committee on Official Language. So as a railway employee we should know that in these 3 which one is looking after the railway ministry. So my next question is this only, which subcommittee of Parliamentary Committee on Official Language inspects the offices of railway ministry? As I told you, 3 subcommittees there. In these 3 subcommittee, second subcommittee, please note second, middle, second subcommittee on official language inspect the office of railway ministry. Next question, what is the expansion for OLIC used by Department of Official Language? OLIC, DOLIC, these are JOLIC, these are important. In next few questions we will see all this. What is the expansion of for OLIC used by Department of Official Language? OLIC means Official Language Implementation Committee. Official Language Implementation Committee, OLIC. Next question, what is the main duty of Official Language Implementation Committee? That OLIC or Official Language Implementation Committee, what is his main duty? For what purpose this committee is available? So definitely, as we know our official language is Hindi, then this committee is for to review the progressive use of Hindi or to review the progressive use of our official language, which is Hindi. Next question, who is the chairman of the Divisional Official Language Implementation Committee? This is DOLIC, Divisional Official Language Implementation Committee, DOLIC. Who is the chairman? So always head. In division, who is the head? DRM. DRM means Divisional Railway Manager. So head of or chairman of the DOLIC is DRM. Next question, who is the chairman of Zonal Official Language Implementation Committee? ZOLIC, ZOLIC. ZOLIC means Zonal Official Language Implementation Committee. DOLIC means Divisional Official Language Implementation Committee. So chairman of ZOLIC or Zonal Official Language Implementation Committee is GM, head of the zonal zone. Head of the division DRM, head of the zone, GM. So GM is the chairman. Thanks for watching my video, friends. I always requested my viewers to kindly give suggestions through comment box. If you like my video, kindly click on like button, also on subscribe button and notification button.